Let's discuss an intriguing and multifaceted topic, the process theories or the information processing theories of intelligence. We have already discussed psychometric approach. You can watch that video by clicking the link on screen or in this video's description. Understanding intelligence goes beyond merely measuring it through traditional IQ tests. It involves exploring the diverse processes and components that constitute intelligent behavior. Sternberg proposes that intelligence is not a single entity but comprises three interrelated components: analytical, creative, and practical intelligence. Analytical intelligence involves the ability to analyze, evaluate, and compare information, skills often tested by conventional IQ assessments. Creative intelligence refers to the capacity to invent, discover, and imagine, highlighting the importance of innovation and originality in problem solving. Practical intelligence, sometimes referred to as street smarts, is about applying knowledge to real-world scenarios, enabling individuals to adapt to and shape their environments effectively. Together, these components underscore the multifaceted nature of intelligence, emphasizing that true intellectual ability encompasses more than academic prowess. Another influential theory is Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Howard Gardner challenges the traditional view of intelligence as a single, unified capacity. Instead, he identifies multiple intelligences, each representing different ways of processing information. These include linguistic, logical, mathematical, spatial, bodily kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic intelligences. According to Gardner, each individual possesses a unique blend of these intelligences, explaining the diversity of talents and abilities observed among people. This theory has profound implications for education, suggesting that teaching methods should be tailored to accommodate and nurture various intelligences, thereby fostering a more inclusive and effective learning environment. Building on the work of Cattell and Carroll, the Cattell-Horn-Carroll (CHC) theory offers a comprehensive model of intelligence that integrates multiple cognitive abilities into a hierarchical structure. This theory distinguishes between broad abilities such as fluid intelligence, which is the capacity to solve novel problems, and crystallized intelligence, which involves knowledge acquired through experience. Other components include quantitative reasoning, reading and writing abilities, short-term memory, long-term storage and retrieval, visual and auditory processing, and processing speed. The CHC theory provides a detailed framework for understanding the diverse cognitive skills that contribute to intelligent behavior and is widely used in psychometric assessments. Information processing theory likens the human mind to a computer, focusing on how information is encoded, stored, and retrieved. This perspective emphasizes the mental processes involved in acquiring, organizing, and using knowledge. By understanding these processes, we gain insights into how individuals learn, remember, and apply information, shedding light on the cognitive mechanisms underlying intelligent behavior. Lastly, the PAS theory of intelligence, proposed by Das, Naglieri, and Kirby, highlights four essential cognitive processes: planning, attention, simultaneous processing, and successive processing. Planning involves decision-making and problem-solving. Attention refers to focusing cognitive activity on specific stimuli. Simultaneous processing is the ability to integrate separate elements into a coherent whole, and successive processing is the capacity to process information sequentially. The PAS theory underscores the importance of these processes in performing cognitive tasks and achieving intellectual success. In conclusion, these process theories of intelligence provide a rich and nuanced understanding of what it means to be intelligent. They remind us that intelligence is not a monolithic construct but a tapestry woven from various cognitive abilities and processes. By embracing this complexity, we can better appreciate the diversity of human talents and create environments that nurture and celebrate the unique potential within each individual. If you enjoyed this presentation and found it valuable, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on psychology. education, and much more.